Hello, beautiful people. Thanks for tuning back into our channel. Today, we're going to take a little detour from our usual gardening tips and tricks and delve into the magical world of cucumber transformation. So, buckle up and let's get started. First off, let's understand that a cucumber is an incredible plant with the ability to multiply itself. It's like magic. With the right care and propagation techniques, you can turn one tiny cucumber into a whole garden of them. Now, picture this. You have a humble cucumber in your hands. It seems like an ordinary plant, but hold on to it tightly and watch as it blooms into multiple plants. These new plants will sprout cucumbers of their own. And what's even more incredible is that you can start the process all over again with these new cucumbers. You see, each cucumber has the potential to grow into something bigger. It's just about nurturing it properly. So, here's my challenge to you all. Commit to growing your own garden of cucumbers from just one humble seed. Share your journey with us by posting pictures of your growth progress on our channel. Let's witness this miraculous transformation together. Remember, gardening isn't just about planting, it's about nurturing life. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started on this exciting journey together. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening magic, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy gardening!